Okay, Nibir, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. We have some more news coming in. The police have made a big disclosure in the investigation of the violence that took place on Tanki Road in Mohalla Kot Garbi of Kotwali area of Sambal. During the investigation, the forensic teams have recovered two 9mm cartridges made by Pakistan Ordnance Factory from the spot. Apart from this, two shells of 12 bore and two shells of 32 bore have also been recovered. The police team is currently conducting the search operation. Big news coming in as far as the investigation into the Sambal violence is concerned. We're now learning that cops have recovered, the forensic team and the cops have recovered two 9mm cartridges made by Pakistan Ordnance Factory from the spot. Two shell of 12 bore and two shells of 32 bore have also been recovered. Visuals on your screens of the inspection that is currently taking place. Recoveries have been made in the Kotwali area of Sambal, which witnessed violence and riots just a few days ago when a court-ordered survey of a mosque went awry. My colleague Abhishek with us on the broadcast. Abhishek, take our viewers through the details. What is this latest recovery that has been made by the UP police?
Yes, from our sources, what we are getting to know is very burning. That at the time when the whole violence incidents break out, at that time, when the investigation was going on near the mosque, Shahi Jama Masjid, at that time, many of the cartridges were found. But 2 or 3 of the misfired cartridges, which the investigation primarily found, were belonged to Pakistan Ordnance Factory. 2 of the misfired cartridges, on that the hologram belongs to Pakistan Ordnance Factory. One of the cartridges which was fired, that cartridge also found from the nearby places, and also many cartridges which were of 9mm. 9mm is not a civilian bore in our country, but in Pakistan you can easily find it. Also 315 bore cartridges are also found, and after that police has sent this to the forensic experts to just get a reconfirmation. And what we are getting from our sources, that it had confirmed that the 9mm cartridges which were misfired belongs to Pakistan Ordnance Factory. And now in this whole investigation, the investigation agencies are getting a new angle of investigation, which is the neighbor country which always wanted to put a propaganda in India. And in this incident also, some of the modules might work for it. In Kashmir also, in the stone pelting areas, and also the whole incident when started earlier, some people were putting stones on the administrating officers, and after that when the firing got started, they were firing from every of the places. Police, who was at that time was in between the whole incident, was trying to stop the people to do this violence, but between this bloodbath, police was trying to make people aside, and they have started firing the pellet bullets. But some of them have the proper visuals, what we are showing our audience, that proper gunshot sounds are coming. These were those gunshot sounds which are being fired, and now this cartridge, after the investigating agencies have got this cartridge, we can easily say that many of the investigating agencies can also investigate the higher officials of the investigating agency. The national investigating agencies also can investigate, because this belongs to a module which used to work in these kinds of incident to make this incident this much big.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with those details. Meanwhile, the bail hearing of Chinmay Krishna Das,